Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, retaining customers is becoming quite a difficult task today because the complexity of the market, the availability of different products for investors to invest in, and also varied requirements of the clients actually add to this particular the critical difficulty for the wealth managers to retain clients. So I thought this is a topic which has always been in the forefront of discussion, and there are no real or straight answers to it. But I thought I'll share five tips to all wealth managers who are around, who are watching this video, and and are keen to get some direction around that. I'm not saying that they're not aware, but they are aware of most of these points that I'm going to make. But it's kind of a ready reckoner or kind of a reinforcement for all these wealth managers. So let's begin. Before we do that, as usual, my request to you, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. Please also comment on my video so that I know what exactly you're looking at, and then I can craft out a video based on your requirement. And also share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my research, from my insight, and from my videos. So without further ado, let's begin. So as you know, before I start, I talk about my ebook. Now this ebook is on my journey as an entrepreneur. So this ebook is titled Six Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. And in this ebook, I've spoken about the time back in 2010 when I quit my six-figure globetrotting corporate job. I had to really be prepared before I actually jumped into the world of entrepreneurship. So this book talks about my preparation, the challenges I faced, and how I overcame those challenges. Now, I'm sure a lot of you would also be looking to become an entrepreneur, and that's the reason why I put down 3 worksheets in this ebook for you to gauge where you stand before you would jump in to the world, to this quite a difficult and arduous world of owning your own business. So you have to answer certain questions, and you get certain points based on your answers, and you will see where you stand. The cool thing is I've taken this particular worksheet or test, I would say, and you would know how much I scored, and you would also know how successful I am today with 2 companies, one in Singapore, one in India, and representations in the US market. So this ebook is available to you for totally free of charge. It's available on my website. The URL is flashing on the screen. I'll put the URL in the description box below. Click on it, go to the page, put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. Do give me your honest feedback. Now let's jump into the topic of how to retain clients for wealth managers. So let's try and understand the market dynamics. So the investor demographics are changing, which is impacting the wealth management industry. Millennials are investing today, and they have different ideas, goals, and aspirations for their money. In other words, investors are far more demanding today than ever before, and the competition is also fierce. Naturally, the wealth management firms find their profits are slipping. Technology, robo-advisors, AI-driven applications pose threat to not so tech-savvy wealth managers. Technology also drives down the cost of advice. Note that a client stays with you not only because of your financial advice, but because you now know who he is as a person. A computer generated software, a computer can evaluate how to be competitive, or how they will not be able to answer the question why on the client just like a human being can. So let's jump into those 5 tips that I wanted to give you on how to retain clients. First, shift from being an expert to an advisor. This is pretty much what I do as well in my consulting firm, where I try and find solutions to business challenges instead of being just an expert. So I try to become an advisor. Less than 50% of high net worth clients trust their financial advisors. So it's not a very happy, less than 50%. So more than 50% do not trust them. Build rapport with your clients and establish checkpoints for having value discussion. Determine how you have helped them and ask what's been meaningful to you. By offering an opportunity to give feedback, you let your clients know that you take their journey seriously. Clients may appreciate a job well done, but they will cherish advice that considers their life priorities. Foster a strong relationship with your clients to help them reach their own conclusions. Point number 2, broaden your range of services. As people become busier, they want to work with companies that offer one-stop shops for all their needs, which is happening. It's putting all these services together. Offering only investment management or financial planning isn't enough for your modern day clients. They want comprehensive financial services that offer departments licensed to cover everything from income tax and education planning to investment management and legacy planning. Point number 3, expand your network. Very critical. Build relationships with other professionals so you can serve as a resource for your clients. If you have a large network that you can refer to clients like housing arrangements, lawyers, banks, leaders, etc., you will come across as extremely proactive. You will be someone who they would look out for. Point number 4, regularly reach out to your customers or clients. Make sure to establish regular check-ins with your clients. When on call, ask them whether they are on track to reach their goals. Also learn what's going on in their lives and follow up by asking whether there is anything you can help them with. You can even ask for leads and referrals, which is absolutely okay, perfectly okay to ask for leads and referrals. Last point, be proactive, not reactive. Proactively monitor clients' accounts will set you apart from all other competition. Retain clients in an information-saturated digital world means you must communicate the benefits of working with you. So those are the 5 points. To summarize, you really have to be really on the dot with the client. You must know the client. You must know you must be able to feel his malaise, his pulse. You must know what he wants. He must know what his family needs, what are his other compulsions, other liabilities, what are the other challenges he faces. So all of that are very, very critical. And only then you would be, and if you're able to address those challenges that he faces, you are likely to retain that client of yours. So that's pretty much what I wanted to talk about today. I will also direct you to a video which I did on what are the so investors also look for ways and avenues to invest in stock markets, cryptos, and real estate, and all of that. One very good video that I did was on how would you invest like a pro in the stock market. So I'll put the link to that video on the card above. You could take a look at it, and maybe you could use that as a guidance for your future clients. So I hope that would be useful. So now, thank you very much. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. You could go to my LinkedIn profile and take a look at it. I'll put the link in the description below. If you like my profile, go ahead and connect with me. I regularly work with clients where I try and solve their business, marketing, technological investment challenges. If you're looking to engaging me as a consultant in your company, you could drop me a line on LinkedIn, or you could write to me on the contact page of my website. I'll put the link to the contact page of my website in the description box below. Then we can discuss and see how we can work together, how I can help you in your business, in your company, in your challenges. So before I go, one final request: please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please comment on my videos, and please share my videos. So until next time, do take care, stay safe, and stay healthy, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.